Welcome back to this channel. My name is Doris Kimuyu, and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video today. So today I will be giving you my simple 10 secrets how to grow long healthy hair. And so, my first secret is consistency and patience. And this is my biggest secret. I stick to my routine month after month without chasing quick fixes. Hair growth is gradual but with protective styling, moisture, and herbal care, herbal rinses, the results compound over time. And so patience is the ultimate growth hack. Don't expect to see results overnight when you are in this journey. My second secret is avoiding it styling. Avoiding it styling is one of the most powerful secrets for retaining length and keeping hair strong. It tools weaken the hair shaft, strip moisture, and cause breakage. So, minimizing their use directly supports long, healthy growth. My tip number 3 is low manipulation. Beyond protective styling, avoid constant combing, brushing, or tight pulling. Gentle handling preserves your strands. Think of your hair as delicate fabric. The more you tug, the faster it wears out. So, low manipulation allows your hair to thrive without stress. And so, my secret number 4 is moisture retention. Hydration is key, and therefore I keep my hair moisturized by spraying my water like my Herbal Rinses, rosemary, hibiscus, cloves, green tea waters, and then after I seal with my natural hair growth oil. You can use whichever carrier oil of your choice you want to use. Remember that moisture prevents dryness, brittleness, and breakage, helping hair stay elastic and strong. My tip number 5 is protective styling. Keeping your hair in protective styles like mini braids, mini twists, bands, or even wigs shields the ends from friction, breakage, and environmental damage. Protective styles also reduce daily manipulation, which is one of the biggest causes of split ends and thinning. The less you touch your hair, the more your hair retains length. And that's why you see me most of the times I'm always in my mini braids, because I'm still in my journey of hair growth. I'm not yet gotten that kind of length that I want, and that's why I'm still practicing this protective styling technique even up to now. My number 6 secret is scalp care. Healthy hair starts at the scalp. Never forget that. And so I massage my scalp regularly with my oil. I use just my normal hair growth oil to massage my scalp so that I stimulate blood flow. And so a clean, nourished scalp ensures follicles stay active and growth continues steadily. My number 7 secret is Herbal Rinses. I use simple herbal waters. You have seen that in my videos. I use my cloves water, hibiscus water, rosemary water, fenugreek waters. Like, I use all of those to strengthen my strands naturally. These rinses are rich in vitamins and antioxidants which fortify hair, reduce shedding, and add shine without chemicals to my hair. My number 8 secret is gentle cleansing. I wash my hair with mild shampoos. I use sulfate-free shampoos or sometimes herbal cleansers that don't strip natural oils. And remember, one thing is that overwashing can dry out your hair, while gentle cleansing keeps the scalp fresh and balanced without weakening strands. My number 9 secret is deep conditioning. Regular deep conditioning treatments restore moisture and elasticity to your hair. I use DIY masks like aloe vera, avocado, amla to nourish hair from root to tip. And this keeps my hair soft, manageable, and less prone to breakage. And my number 10 secret is trimming split ends. I trim only when necessary, not too often, but enough to remove split ends. And so this prevents damage from traveling up the hair shaft, and this helps me maintain my healthy hair. I don't trim every time, I trim only when necessary. And so, to the person who looks in the mirror and feels defeated, who has tried everything they know and still see no progress, just know that you are not alone in this. So many people with natural hair have walked the same road, confused, discouraged, and unaware of what their hair needs. And I want you to hear this with your whole heart. Nothing is wrong with you, and nothing is wrong with your hair. Your hair is growing every single day, every single month, just like it was designed to. But sometimes the growth happening at your roots is being broken off at the ends, creating the illusion that your hair is stuck. Your hair has not stopped growing. It's simply, it has simply been crying, silent cries, silent burdens like breakage, dryness, stress, tight hairstyles, heat damage, hormonal changes, improper detangling, poor diet, lack of moisture, and inconsistent care. So these challenges don't mean your hair is over. They simply mean your journey is asking for a new chapter. Your hair has been speaking to you, quietly saying, "Please feed me, please water me, please protect me. Slow down, touch me gently, give me time." Your hair is not difficulty, it's simply asking for the love it has always deserved. So, growth doesn't happen loudly, it doesn't happen overnight. Like a seed planted in the soil, your hair grows underground first, where no one can see it. So, Just because the world cannot see your progress yet doesn't mean progress is not happening. Your biggest breakthroughs are growing in silence. So be patient and be consistent with your care. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch the video. Kindly subscribe and kindly like the video. Finally, I need you to stop comparing your hair with someone else's hair.